Hello guys. Normally I shouldn't be doing this video today, but guess what? Yesterday was a very intriguing day. As in, I took three trades yesterday. Remember in my earlier videos I said I take maybe 1 to 2 trades per day. But yesterday was just somehow like I took three trades. Yeah. And the first one, Euro USD, hit stop loss. Well, I already had one pound card that was simultaneously running. Yeah, so I had pound card and I had Euro USD at the same time yesterday morning. And Euro USD hit my stop loss across my accounts, and that gave me a 1 hour loss for yesterday. But the pound card, after playing so much around my break even, went in my direction. And while that pair was already moving very well, sometimes around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, I caught a very good opportunity on Nasdaq. Like I trade Nasdaq. I hardly trade Nasdaq, but I do trade it when I find opportunities. I think I traded Nasdaq on Friday. Yeah, it was one of the pairs. It was Friday or Thursday. One of the pairs that helped me cross my last challenge. Yes, so I traded Nasdaq yesterday again, and it was massive. Like when the pound after the Euro USD hit me and stopped loss 1 hour, the pound card was moving well in my direction, and I managed to close with 3 hour yesterday on the pound card and 2 hour on Nasdaq yesterday. And that Nasdaq I could have gotten more, but I used a wider stop loss due to the way the trade presented itself. But I still managed to close with a 2 hour, making me a total of 5 hour profits yesterday and 1 hour loss, making I think that's 5 minus 1, that's 4 hour. So I managed to come out of the market yesterday with 4 hour. And I think this is one of the biggest days I've ever had trading. Um, in my last 3 to 4 weeks, I don't think I've closed any day with up to 4 hour. Maybe the most would be two or sometimes three. But yesterday I closed with 4 hour, and that was what prompted me to do this video because the account I collected yesterday morning. Remember I told you I collected two accounts yesterday morning. One was the funded account of 5K, and another one was a BOGO offer challenge account of 5K again. And remember my rules on challenge account I risk 1%, and on funded account I risk 0.5%. So guess what? The Bogo account is almost at 4% as we speak now. And I need just 8% to cross the challenge in 5 days, remember? And in one day I already have 4%. Like that's a massive boost. And thanks to those two pairs that I took yesterday, Pound Card and Nasdaq. Now the Bogo account is just halfway there. And I need just to be careful, maybe two more good trades or even three or four that will cross that phase one challenge again. Meanwhile, my funded account I already have 100 and something dollars there, which is waiting for withdrawal. Not still floating though, because I'll still take trades and I could lose it. But I could also go on and maybe make some more couple of $100, and I'll be withdrawing in the next 3 weeks. Okay, then there's this other account that I didn't tell you guys about, a 10K account that I was trading a different strategy on, and that strategy was a 1 minute strategy on Nasdaq. It worked well at first, but then later it stopped to work, and the account started going down, and so it almost hit um I almost failed the challenge because the account went as low as 350 or so, 350, sorry, $9,350. But guess what? Right now the account is at break even since I stopped the 1 minute strategy I was testing and switched back to my usual strategy, my normal strategy. Now I have that challenge account back at almost at break even actually, because now it's at 9,950. Yeah, so I will be adding that to my accounts that I will be recording on this channel as I try to cross all three accounts. Sorry, two accounts, one 10K account and one 5K BOGO challenge account. So I'll be trying to cross those two challenge accounts within the next 2 weeks or 1 month. Meanwhile, I'll be hoping to prepare for payouts on my funded account in the next 3 weeks. So that's the update now. I would go into my chart so you can see those three trades I took yesterday. One was a loss, two were massive profits. All right, guys. So, guys, this is This is Euro USD, the first trade I took yesterday that I said hit stop loss. And this region was where I took the trade. This green candle, let me expand it a bit. So this green candle right here was formed yesterday, and this is even on the 1 hour. So, but on 15 minutes, it's also clear. So, and it broke this trend line that I have here. So, it gave me the feeling that this market would be a buying market. This is 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that it was already moving. These are bullish signals actually, and then it crashed and took me out. I didn't really feel bad about it because I knew that I had my direction was okay. I was expecting this USD to be a bullish market, sorry, a bullish market this week, and you can see that even today it has, after taking everybody out yesterday. Obviously, anyone that was in this trade, this is still the 1 hour chart. Anybody that was in this trade must have been taken out with these huge bearish candles. So and it went back to retest that low. You can see this is the first test of this low. This is the second test, and this is the third test. And now I think I can confidently say we should be in a bullish market again. Let me adjust this. So it looks something like this now. And this is on 4 hours, and you can see it's already forming an engulfing candle here on 4 hours. So I would be looking for an opportunity again to buy this pair. Yeah, and look at it here again. I think here, if I had, well, I can't enter here, sha, but now that it has gone up, if I see some more bullish confirmation, definitely I will buy again. Yeah, so this is the first one that hit stop loss. And I had pound card, which I had been tracking for a long time, and pound card made a very, very glorious move yesterday. This is okay. This is it. I need to extend this. No, this is one I took on Monday that hit break even. Yeah, yeah. I thought I already drew my RR2 for this, but for some reason it's not showing. But let me just draw it again. I entered somewhere around after this bullish confirmation candle, somewhere around here, and my stop loss was below this low. At some point, I moved it up here, so let me just keep it here. Then look how the juicy move I enjoyed yesterday, because I closed at the end of the day. Yeah, so I came out with this is a three 1 to 3 trade, and as you can see, I ate almost everything. This one gave me 3%. Then I also had Nasdaq, which I took, and let's see. Looks like my network is slow this morning. So I took Nasdaq as well after this bullish confirmation candle. It was on 1 hour. I didn't even. I was tracking Nasdaq, but I got carried away. I was just very lucky to come in at that hour that this candle just finished forming. I was very lucky to come in at that time because the moment I entered, it propelled itself upwards. I was able to come out with a 1 to 2 RR, which you can see here. So those are the trades I took yesterday. For today, I've not really had time to, after a big win, you always just relax. So I've not even had time to analyze to see what's happening today. But I think Nasdaq may continue on its bullish move today. Yeah, as you can see, it's already forming under bullish candle, but it's quite kind of risky to enter at this high, except you want to give back all these juicy profits back to the market. Yeah, and Euro USD2 looking good for the buy, which I will consider later on. NZD as well is looking good for the buy. I'll also consider that later. You can see this is 3 bounces of this level now. So that's it. Let me go um into my FundedNext account and show you how my dashboard is doing. Okay guys, so this is my FundedNext account, and as you can see, I talked about the two challenges I currently have. Here they are, the P1 phase 1, and two phase one. One is 5K, as you can see here. The other one is 10K. I have this funded account which I recently passed, which is also 5K. And straight from here, you can see the equity is 106, 5106. For this one is 5189, and for this is 9958. So this one I said I was went I used a different strategy for, and almost went I almost lost the account, and then I started building it with my original strategy, and it's almost back at break even. So I've started trading all of them again. So let me quickly show you my equity curve for let me show you this live account. Whatever is here will be similar to what is here because they are both. I started trading both of them at the same time. Just that the lot size was different. So I'll just use this particular one as an example. All right. So this is my funded account, and let me just quickly go into the stats. From here, you can see. Okay, it was 106 when I showed you just now. Now it's 107. So I'm currently in a trade that is in profit. That's why you have 107 here now. And yes, 2 trading days. Remember, this funded account has 21 trading days before you can receive a payout. So now I'm on day two. And okay, daily loss limit and overall loss limit. That's what we have here. Okay, let me nothing much to show here. I'm 2% up currently on this account. On the other one, I'm almost 4% up. I'll probably just quickly show you that. But let me show you the growth curve for this account. All right. These are the trades I've taken. These are the trades I took yesterday actually, and maybe the one that is currently running now. The pound USD trade I just took. It's $12 in profit already, which is good. And this is my profitability. There's nothing much to it. Let me not waste time here. But you can see it. So this is where I this is one part that is very important for me, the growth curve. So it shows your performance over a period of time. You can see it's on the rise. I started the account on 28th, which is yesterday, day before yesterday, and then on 29th I already rose the account to 100 and something dollars, which is over 2%, and it's still climbing. So I think that's all for I need to show for this. So let me also show you this account, this old 10K account I've been talking about. Now it's currently running. I have a trade running, so this should be green already, but you can see it's just minus 0.4% in drawdown as at the start of today. And let me just show you the equity curve. So this is the equity curve of the old account I talked about. You can see I got this account on July 21st, and we are currently on 30th of October. So that's August, September, October, 3 good months that this account has been active. And I just wanted to see that I could have a new strategy, which, as you would see, I went up a couple of times, went down, went up, went down. So I just knew that this isn't sustainable. This is kind of growth curve you want to have, going up, coming down a bit, then climbing again, but not this constant going up and down like something that is not moving in the proper direction. So I have to switch to my original strategy, and then you can see that from this date, October 4th, which is this month, the account started growing steadily, and now it's back at break even. So I'm seeing, and this is even because I was trading 0.5%. Remember, I said 1% on my challenge account, but I was trading 0.5% here, and that's the reason why you see that the growth was really gradual. If I traded 1% on his right starting from here, definitely this curve would have been a lot steeper to the upside. Yeah, but it's okay like this because you will see that I came as low as 9,400, and 200 I would have lost the challenge. So I didn't want to risk too much because while trying to build the account. But now that I'm back at break even, trust me, I'm back at trading 1% of this account, and definitely let's see how it goes. I'm hoping to cross this challenge by next week. Yeah, and so that's all I have for today. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed my breakdown, my analysis, my everything I offer, my journey, please like and share with your friends. Please subscribe as well. See you on the next one. Bye.